money. What they doing hating on us? If they want it, take it from me. What the mother niggas doing? I don't know.
You know what's going on. It's Z.
And Faye.
And we're back with another video. So, today we're kind of doing a mukbang and I guess story time about our vacation. So, this was our first time going to Atlanta as adults. And the experience was okay, I guess.
I don't plan on going back no time soon.
I guess it just was what it was. But today we have, I don't eat seafood. She eats some seafood. But she decided to do tacos and wings. And I just got wings.
I already ate 4 of my tacos. So, yeah. I was supposed to wait.
And we just left the gym, so
it's not good.
No, but
it's not funny.
I wanted to do this video, so anyway, y'all. So we went to Atlanta, June, at the end of June, like June, what is it, June 22nd?
Yeah,
23rd, something like that. We were originally gonna go to Houston. We were gonna go to Houston, because I had I had got us tickets to go to the Drake concert, but it ended up getting pushed back. So we was just like, fuck it, let's just go to Atlanta. Also, her best friend is down there, so I was like, okay, cool. So we ended up going to Atlanta. We got there, and I had booked my hair appointment, and no, I lied. What did I book?
You talking about your wax?
Yeah. Yeah, I booked my
supposed to get down
hair
here?
Yeah, I booked my hair appointment and my wax appointment and I guess my eyebrow appointment too, all on the same day. The day before we were supposed to leave. And I had just gotten off like that morning. So I was real tired, so I ended up missing both my eyebrow and wax appointments. So as soon as we got into Atlanta, I had to find somebody to do my wax. I went to this place called Pretty Girls Get Waxed. It's a pretty cool establishment. Real nice girls.
Very hot.
It wasn't that hot. But the traffic was ridiculous.
I swear.
I really thought...
That's ridiculous. Atlanta's traffic is ridiculous, bro. It's ridiculous. I would not be going back no time soon, or probably ever not going back. I can't do it. I don't have the patience. I'm just saying.
I really thought that I was going to be late for that appointment, and then I was just going to be SOL. But I ended up making it, because they had like a window of time. But yeah. So then, we actually got there super early. We left super early and got there super early. So we were just riding throughout.
Could barely ride without that during traffic. Oh, we went to Waffle House?
Yeah, but I'm trying to figure out what county of Atlanta. I don't know if it was DeKalb or Decatur.
We didn't know Decatur, did we? We didn't know Decatur, did we?
I think we rode through it.
I don't know.
I don't know. What did it have?
We was in Atlanta.
I know, but there's different counties.
I don't know.
I can't remember. Anyway, so I put too much seasoning all on the top. Anyway, so the first night we really just stayed in the room. We didn't do anything, y'all. We were tired. Did we go out to eat though?
I think so.
I think so. I think we did.
I should have had my iPad.
That's hot.
Should have had my iPad.
To record?
No. To look up everything we did, because I don't remember everything.
Anyway. So yeah, we didn't do anything. And then what, Friday? Oh God, what did you do Friday? I can't remember what we did. What did we do Friday? Oh, we went to the clubs. I went to MSR. Who's the old club?
Yeah, because Naya, I think Naya ended up coming there later that night. And early that day, we went to the malls. We had breakfast at the hotel. That hotel was at Hyatt.
It was Hyatt House.
Somewhere, but that hotel was great. It was great, man. Why are you laughing at me?
It was nice, but she didn't like the hotels for. I meant the elevators.
Yeah, I didn't like the elevators. The elevators were trash. They were trash. They should have had regular elevators in there, but you know, they were kind of bougie, so they had like these electronic, what are they, panels or something, or things you have to hit to get up to your room.
How use your
they
card?
took about 5 to 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes for you to get up to your room.
And you also had to pay for parking. So
I forgot about that.
Yeah. But that's what we did Friday. And then so we stayed for like 6 days. So let me see. What did we do Saturday? Is Saturday when we went to no. It wasn't Saturday. That was Sunday, I think.
Sunday we went to dinner.
Sunday we went to Daniels. When did we do Saturday? Saturday is when we did the prank.
We went to dinner.
Yeah. So we went to dinner. What's that in? I don't know. We went to dinner.
Somewhere in that, I don't know, somewhere in that line.
I don't know.
We went to Ruby Tuesday.
Huh?
We went to Ruby Tuesday for dinner.
For the prank? No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
We went to Longhorn.
We went to Longhorn.
Yeah, because we were going to go to Red Lobster. But they were closed.
Where did Ruby Tuesday from?
I don't know.
So we did go to Longhorn
Mm-hmm.
for dinner
Mm-hmm.
that night for the prank, or that evening. Which I couldn't even eat my food. I couldn't even eat my food, y'all. I couldn't. I was so stirred up. It didn't make any sense.
Her food was getting cold. But if you haven't seen that video, go check that video out. But then what? Sunday stuff started like going left for real. So before we went on the trip, I had car, I guess, trouble. Like my car was like basically roaring every time I cranked it up. I was like, I don't know, but I thought it was my flywheel. I thought I had a cracked flywheel. But you know, I'm like, you know, I've been driving on this. It is what it is. I'll go get it fixed later. So we get to, we're driving to Huntsville to go see her brother. So we're driving, and all of a sudden, what happened?
The battery light came on.
Yeah, the battery light came on. I'm like,
she starts freaking the hell out.
Yeah, because I'm like,
she
I
starts
know
freaking
ain't
out.
nothing wrong with my battery now.
When she starts freaking out, I don't be wanting to say nothing to make the whole situation worse. Like, she was freaking out. So I kept my mouth shut. And I just got us to a safe destination for us to stop and look at it.
Yeah, we stopped at this little shop. Well, it wasn't really, it was like a paint and body shop on the side of the road. And I was asking the man, you know, what he think it was. That man
didn't know what the hell he was looking at.
I mean, he worked on, he wasn't a mechanic.
He didn't know what the hell
he just did paint and body.
He didn't know what the hell he was doing.
Anyway.
All he did was check the oil. What else he did? What else he did? What else he checking the oil for the battery? What else he did? I'm just saying, I'm sorry. Carry on.
Anyway. So, God was like on our side. Why is you laughing? He was.
Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead.
Because, y'all, it was my alternator. It was my alternator that was messed up. And
because, you know, while you was talking to the guy, I had to video record the sound and everything, and David hadn't told me what it was.
Oh, so you knew what it was?
Yeah, but I didn't want to make the whole situation
Why would you not
worse,
tell me?
Because you was
Why would
already
you not
so
tell
upset.
me? And then I gotta find out when we get to Huntsville that it's the alternator. Anyway, so we were about an hour away from her brother's house, or to Huntsville, period. We were about another hour away. So like I said, God was really on our side because the car could have shut off at any point in time, and the car actually did shut off when we got to her brother's friend's house, who works on cars. So it's like, dang, like, cause baby, if we would have been stuck at the in between, we would have been probably still in them. It's still in wherever we was at. So yeah. So, like I said, thank God for keeping us and
under His blood. Amen.
Yeah. And to her brother and Kevin. So that happened Sunday, and we didn't even leave Hinesville until what 1 or 2 o'clock.
Yeah, we could have slept over, got a couple more hours of sleep, but you know, somebody was ready to go all of a sudden. As soon as it got fixed, couldn't catch a break now, ready to go. So, we left early in the morning. 1, 2 o'clock. I thought it was like 1 o'clock, because it was like 12 something when he got back with the car. And then he was outside talking to Dane. It probably was like 1:30 though. I don't know. But yeah, we left that morning and got back around about 6 something? 5 or 6. And I ate and my ass went to sleep. Had I drove there, they had to drive right back because somebody didn't want to stay. But you know, it's all good. I'm kind of glad we did go ahead and go back to Atlanta. So it's all good. Well, what we did that there? When did we do that at? What did we do that day, Zay? We slept that morning now.
I don't. When did we go to the strip club?
Did we go that day? Like, what, that night?
We also went to when did we go to? No, that's what it was. We went to So when we got back, we got up and we went to Top Golf.
Oh yeah.
We love Top Golf. So we went to Top Golf and we played. They actually had some Pride, like a Pride shirt.
T-shirts.
Yeah, but they didn't have our sizes. So
They were hard
we
too.
didn't win. So
I
then
meant to save that last piece of celery I had.
later that night we went to the strip club. I'm not gonna say which strip club, probably because I don't remember.
It's just know it's a strip club that most famous people go to. I'll probably tell y'all down below in this video.
No, don't say that.
Why?
No.
They need to know what strip club we went
I
to.
think it's all strip clubs. Honestly. But anyway, we got to the strip club. It was dead. It was real dead.
Mind y'all,
And
this
they're about to close.
This is her first time going to a strip club. So when we got in there, it's like we went right back out. But I'll let her tell the story. I'll let her tell the story why
Yeah.
we walked in and walked right back out.
Okay.
And I just paid for my little shots or whatever.
You tell them how much that was.
The shots were between $15 and $20.
Alright, who about to pay $15-$20 for some shots?
I did.
Yeah, you damn. You damn sure did.
And right back up that bitch. Basically, so when we got into the strip club, we was walking in, we got security check and all that stuff. Basically, when we got in there, we got it for free. We got it for free. So we walked in, and you know, me and Z, we sat at the bar. They had a little.
We had $40 a piece.
We sat at the bar, and you know, I started getting my shots or whatever. And then Z kind of tapped me. She was like, "You think we need to get some ones or whatever?" Or she was going to get some ones. So I told her to get me some too. So I guess she went back.
Okay, I went back to the counter. I went back to the counter, and I was asking him, I'm like, hey, can I get some? I'm like, hey, can I get some ones? Mind you, like I said, we have $40 a piece. So I'm like, okay, boom, we got to get 81s. So the people, they're like, no, we only do 100. I'm like, all right, cool. You know, can you take the 41? I meant the 81. Can you take the $80 and I'll pay $20 on my card? They're like, okay. So I open up the van because it said 100. So I open up the van, and so I'm like, okay, cool. I'm about to dish out Faye her 40, and then I'm gonna put 20 back in my pocket because that's what came off my card. So I'm counting. I mean, I'm hard down counting. I already dished out Faye her 40, so I'm counting what's left, and it's not equaling up to 60. How much was it? It was like 80 something altogether. It was like 84 or something like that. But I'm like, where is my other monies? Like, y'all, one of the things I don't play with is my money. So Faye sees me, like I said, I'm counting. I asked her to count it. She counted in front of me, and it's still coming up short. She even put her money back in there, and it's still coming up short. So the girl at the bar, she was, I don't know, she was looking at us, looking at me or whatever, like, what's going on? But, baby, I'm not spending one more dollar, dime, nothing in this establishment because y'all sitting here playing with me, like, and I think that's how they really be getting
They get a lot of
dudes,
people
like, yeah, because people be coming in drunk, high,
You were sober.
Sober. Okay, and I'm a count. I'm a count.
So you all drunk and stuff, you know, you don't really give.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You don't really care.
That's
but
how they get their money.
I count all my money, and especially because we were splitting it. But
how that's supposed to mean?
What you mean? I had to give you your $40, and I had to give my $40.
Okay.
That's what I mean. Anyway, so yeah, as we were in there for about 5-6 minutes. Then we walked right back out.
I said at least 10 minutes.
Maybe
we had to get in, do the little security thing and all that stuff. I sat down like you was. I got a little view, not a big view, y'all, cause you know we love.
It wasn't that many girls in there anyway. It was a little girl with a look.
It was like a little girl. It was like 7 or 8 of them, but most of the strippers were sitting down in the little seating areas and stuff, waiting for people to come in. But
it was super dead.
That was your time for you to experience, you know, the strip club with not too many people in there.
Strippers don't do nothing for me.
To eat your own. Is that how you say it? To each its own.
They don't do nothing for me, y'all.
Anyway, so we did after the strip club. We just went back. Went back to the hotel. What we did? We went to sleep. And we stayed up for a little while.
No, you remember what we did? We went to that store.
Sex store?
Oh.
Yeah, y'all.
What was
know,
the name of it?
I don't know, but that sex store was pretty interesting.
They have like a couple of different stores.
That one was pretty interesting.
It starts with a V. I remember a V. But anyway, after we left the strip club, because I was highly upset, we went to the sex store, and they had like these big pieces.
I ain't talking about the sex store. I'm talking about what was outside of the sex store.
Oh yeah. So as we were coming in, it was this gay boy. I don't know.
Ain't no gay boy, it's a gay man.
Well, gay man. I don't know. He was, I don't know if I would necessarily call him trans though, because he did have
the
on
gay
like a
man
skirt and a wig.
That man was naked.
As
naked. Just all out.
As we were like walking out the store,
and then
we saw him get out the car with his butt out.
It was a Saturday night. Nigga was lit now. He was lit.
It wasn't Saturday.
Yes, it was.
It was Monday.
Saturday.
It was Monday.
Anyway, nigga was butt naked, y'all.
Why did you say nigga on this page?
I'm sorry, but I'm just being honest. He was naked, man. He was giving out a little show.
He was not like naked.
Then they had some other guys out there.
Yeah,
they were so high, man. It didn't make any sense.
Well, you don't
like,
know.
It smelled bad. The view was bad. Like it was just bad.
Oh my god.
I'm doing too much. Look, that was out of this world. We don't have none of that stuff going around here in Florence like that. And Atlanta is just crazy anyway. So they probably just used to that stuff there. We not, because we not from there. So.
But yeah. So that was our experience.
What did we do Monday?
That is what we did Monday.
We did not go to no strip club.
Yes,
on
we
Monday.
did. And you remember we got back on the road Tuesday.
I guess.
Or was that Tuesday night and we got back on the road Wednesday?
How do we Wednesday?
Maybe it was Wednesday. Because
we were supposed to come back
we went to,
on the
no, we went
28th.
to Dan's house Monday. And we went to the...
How much did you say we went to Danny's house on Sunday?
No. I think we went to dinner on Sunday.
Okay. So that was it.
What did we do Saturday?
What was
Oh, Saturday. Saturday we went to Chattanooga. Not Chattanooga. Was it Chattanooga?
see what the
To the Pride thing.
What
We
you
had a
talking
little competition with the other lesbian couple. That's what we
Oh,
did
yeah.
Saturday. Yeah, that's how that went. Chattanooga works. Chattahoochee. Chattahoochee works.
You sure was that?
Yeah, because I remember thinking hoochie. Chattahoochee works. It's kind of like I guess, food trucks, but not
Right.
mobile.
That's alright.
Yeah, on the inside. So we had some food. They had a Pride event out there, so that's where we went Saturday. But yeah, that was our experience. Will we be going back? Probably not.
I know I'm not.
We'll just go to some other places.
Tennessee.
I thought I was gonna eat more, but
Y'all should know. Y'all should let us know any questions or stuff y'all want to know about us. Me and Z. Because we're going to have a Q&A set up soon. Well, hopefully. Because I forgot.
yeah.
Hopefully. But
Yeah.
we'll see. Might have to do it like over a live or something. If I be gone. I don't have anything else to say. You gonna tell the people bye?
I already told them bye.
Guess that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, too.